Have you been trying to get whitelisted or one, or even just any NFT project? Or do you even know what a whitelist is? In this video, we'll be sharing all you need to know about whitelists and how to get whitelisted. If you're in the crypto world, you should know that in early 2021, NFTs started to take off. There was a mad rush of people trying to mint NFTs at the launch of a project. You may have heard of people flipping NFTs for huge profits. But the key to maximizing your flip is to buy low and sell high. Because in the NFT space, one of the best ways to buy cheap is to purchase the NFT as soon as it drops on the project's website, so that you will avoid the price hikes after it reaches secondary marketplaces. However, when you try to mint, two potential problems may arise. One, when a project is launched, there is a rush that causes people to try to mint their NFTs as soon as a project has opened its minting contract. And this is because all the NFTs in the project can get sold out before you get a chance to buy. Since the NFT space is consistently growing, good projects attract a lot of interested buyers. As such, there is a high chance that someone else will get their hands on an NFT before you do. 2. You may experience the ugly side of gas wars. In the NFT space, a gas fee is basically a transaction fee. The trick is that the more gas you are willing to pay, the faster your transaction will be confirmed. And in a bid to get their NFTs before they are sold out, people increase the amount that they are willing to pay for gas. As a result, a gas war occurs, which turns into ridiculously high transaction fees that could go for thousands of dollars. However, as we moved towards the end of 2021, people became tired and sick of the gas war situation. This has led projects to adopt a whitelisting approach when launching their NFTs. What is whitelisting? The term whitelisting comes from the information technology and cybersecurity world, and generally it means an allow or safe list. But in the NFT space, it has a more specific meaning. A whitelist is similar to a VIP list or a guest list for an event. And if you're on it, you get to enjoy some perks. So for NFTs, whitelisting is the process of getting a crypto wallet address pre-approved for the future NFT mint that is also called a drop. So what do projects use whitelisting for? Whitelisting is basically used to reward early supporters of an NFT project and to prevent a gas war. To reward early supporters, thanks to large number of NFT projects that launch every week, project teams need to find ways to incentivize early supporters of their project. And they do this by offering early supporters to get on a whitelist to mint their NFT before the public does. One good thing about the whitelist is that it not only guarantees you a spot to mint, but it could also allow for a reduced price for the NFT, or sometimes even a free NFT. And we all love free stuff. Project teams use it to incentivize supporters to stay engaged with the project and promote it to friends, especially in the early days of the NFT's lifecycle. To prevent a gas war, taking the Ethereum blockchain, for example. Transaction fees or gas fees can be extremely high when the network is congested. And it gets worse when a popular NFT launches and thousands of people are trying to mint at the same time. This could lead to a gas war, when the gas fees are multiplied much more than the actual mint price of the NFT. To make things easier, project teams have adopted the whitelisting approach. When they whitelist supporters before a launch, they are creating a window of time so that the supporters' NFTs can be minted. However, there is usually a 24 to 48 hour window of time. And since the whitelisted addresses can choose the time they want to mint within that window, people can spread out their transactions and prevent a gas war. What does it mean to be whitelisted? To be whitelisted means that you have gone through the required process or steps as laid out by the NFT project team, so you can get your wallet address pre-approved to mint an NFT. So how do you get whitelisted? There are 3 common steps to take if you want to get whitelisted for an NFT project. 1. Find a project before they launch. Now, this is a no-brainer. To get whitelisted for a project, you need to find projects that are about to launch. This means that you have to find a brand new project or an existing project that is releasing a new collection. There are websites that you can visit to check for upcoming projects, but another option is to follow the project itself. NFT experts and influencers on Twitter and YouTube. Although it requires more time and effort, it may lead to better results, because you would get the latest on what is happening in the space. 2. Join the project's Discord group. Once you have decided on a project, the next logical step is to join their Discord group. In the NFT space, Discord is the main communication platform, followed by Twitter. Discord is where most of an NFT project's activity takes place, such as the introduction of the founding team, major announcements, giveaways, roadmaps, instructions to getting on the whitelist, and much, much more. However, each Discord can be organized differently. But you can typically find information on how to get whitelisted in the announcements section. If you can't find anything there, you can try asking other members of the group in the chat section. Still, before you ask, be sure to do your own research first. 3. Follow the eligibility requirements. As expected, each project has its own set of unique requirements to qualify for a whitelist. All you have to do is to make sure that you meet their standards. Some may require you to fill out a simple Google form, some may ask you to invite others to the Discord group, and some may ask you to join a lottery system that picks addresses at random. Since each project will have its own rules for getting whitelisted, be sure to do only what you are comfortable with, as there are many other projects out there. And once you are eligible, you will provide your crypto wallet address to get pre-approved for minting. Now that you know how to get whitelisted, there are strategies that you can adopt to get yourself on the whitelist. 1. Stay engaged. Most projects offer a whitelist spot to early supporters who are sincerely interested in the project and would add value to it. So, to get noticed by the team so that you can earn your spot, you must be very active on the Discord chat and have meaningful conversations about the project with other community members. To show your support, you can also tweet, retweet, and talk about the project on your social channels. This would show that you are participating in the group. 2. Invite people. This is one of the requirements some projects would ask you to do to get a chance on the whitelist. For instance, you could see, invite 15 people to the Discord server. But a lot of NFT projects appreciate it when supporters bring in more interested buyers. You can send out your unique invite code to your friends to the NFT project you are trying to promote. Number 3, make fan art. Making fan art means taking inspiration from the project to make your own art to show that you are a fan and that you support the project. Though this is free marketing for the project, it could earn you some points to get on the whitelist. Just don't forget to tag the project when you make your art. Finally, the NFT world is a very fast-moving space, and with the emergence of the whitelist, things evolve quite quickly. The process of getting whitelisted is not easy, but there is a lot of potential money to make if you can land on the right whitelist for the right project. So all you can do is to get involved and keep learning. And of course, best of luck getting whitelisted for your favorite project. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. For more videos like this, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and be sure to turn on the bell notification so you never miss an upload. And if you need any more help with whitelisting, then go ahead, drop us a comment, we'll see if we can help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.